10 Best Herbal Foods for Tummy Tuck Recovery. Recovering from a tummy tuck surgery requires more than just rest and medical care, it also depends on what you eat. Choosing the right herbal foods after tummy tuck surgery can help your body heal faster, reduce swelling, and restore energy naturally. These herbs are rich in nutrients and gentle on your stomach, making them ideal during the healing process. Here are the 10 best herbal foods for tummy tuck recovery to include in your post-surgery diet. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory benefits. The curcumin in turmeric helps reduce swelling and pain while speeding up the healing of tissues and scars. 2. Ginger. Ginger supports digestion and eases bloating, which can be common after surgery. It also boosts circulation, helping nutrients reach healing areas faster. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is rich in antioxidants and helps repair skin from the inside out. Drinking aloe vera juice can support wound healing and keep your body hydrated. 4. Garlic. Garlic strengthens your immune system and helps prevent infections. It's also a natural detoxifier that supports fast recovery after tummy tuck surgery. 5. Green tea. Green tea is full of antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. A warm cup daily can also help boost metabolism and energy levels. 6. Chamomile. Chamomile is soothing for both body and mind. It helps you sleep better and relax, which is essential for recovery and reducing stress on your body. 7. Parsley. Parsley is packed with vitamin C and chlorophyll, both important for wound healing. It also helps reduce water retention and supports detoxification. 8. Dandelion greens. Dandelion greens promote liver function, helping the body eliminate anesthesia and medication residues. They are rich in vitamin A and K for skin repair. 9. Holy basil. Tulsi. Holy basil helps balance the body's stress response and reduces inflammation. It strengthens your immune system and improves recovery naturally. 10. Peppermint. Peppermint calms your digestive system and eases bloating or gas. Peppermint tea is a refreshing and gentle way to support post-surgery comfort. Adding these herbal foods for tummy tuck recovery to your meals can make a big difference in how quickly and comfortably you heal. They provide natural support for your immune system, reduce inflammation, and promote tissue repair. Always talk to your doctor before adding any new herbs, especially if you're taking medications. With mindful eating and proper care, your body will recover smoothly and feel stronger each day. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.